Welcome back everyone. So today we are diving into a powerful tool for digital privacy, that is the TailsOS USB. And we will be exploring how this plug-and-play operating system can turn your regular USB stick into a fortress of anonymity, protecting your online activities from prying eyes and malicious actors. So why to use TailsOS operating system? So we are constantly leaving tracks online using email, searches, browsing history. Even incognito mode isn't perfect. And that's where exactly the Tail operating system comes in, because it anonymizes your internet traffic through the Tor, that is a global network of relays that bounces through multiple layers, making it almost impossible to trace back to your origin. So now let's see that how exactly you have to create the TailsOS USB and how you have to use it. But before starting guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe and turn the bell notification on so that you can get all the upcoming videos notification. And you can also join my membership plans where you will be getting my assistant and live support for any kind of your computer and PC problem. So now in order to create a TailsOS USB, you will have to come to this website. If you want to read more about them, you can go to document and you can read about them. And here it says install Tails from Windows. What all you need: a USB stick, Windows 7 operating system or later, at least 2 GB of RAM, a smartphone, 1 hour in total. Now you don't have to go with the smartphone, you don't really need it, so you can skip that. So first what you have to do, you need to connect your USB to your computer. Once you have connected, scroll down, you will find download Tail. So you have to click on download Tail 5.22 USB image. It's around 1.3 gigabytes, so make sure that you are connected with the Wi-Fi connection, and then you can click on it and the downloading will be started. So now it may take some time, so you will have to wait until it's all been downloaded, and then you will have to come to another website, that is Rufus. And here you have to scroll down a bit, you will find the latest releases and you will have to click on the first link, Rufus 4.4.exe. So click on the link, and once it gets downloaded, you need to open it, and in the device section you have to make sure that your right USB has been connected that you want to make as a TailsOS USB. Once connected, in the boot selection you have to click on select. Now you need to locate to the place where you have downloaded the Tails USB, select it. Then you have to click on open. Now here you don't have to make any kind of changes, and simply you have to click on start. And once the process will be started, it will take about few minutes only, and your TailsOS USB will be ready. So once it gets ready, now you need to connect your TailsOS USB to your computer where you want to enjoy the Tail operating system. Once connected, you need to restart the computer in the BIOS mode so that we can change the boot priority order, so that the next time when the computer boot on, it can boot with the TailsOS USB. So click on the power icon, click on restart. Now you can look for the BIOS key from the Google, because depending on different kind of manufacturer, there can be a different BIOS key like F2, Escape, F10, F8, F9. Now I'm using a virtual machine here, so I'm getting this kind of page. So here in the boot priority, I will choose USB device. And now if I hit the enter key, so you will be getting a page, welcome to Grub, and now it will be loading up. Now here you have to choose and select the first option that says Tail 5.22. Select it, hit the enter key, and now it will be loading the Linux kernel, so you have to wait until it's all been done. And then within few seconds only, you will be getting this kind of TailsOS configuration page. Now it says welcome to Tail. Now here you have to choose the language in the region, so you can choose it from here, whichever language or keyboard layout you need. Now additionally, what I would recommend you here, in the additional setting you have to click on the plus icon. Then you have to click on administrator password. Now enter your desired password for the administrator account. So I will just take a simple password like 12345, and then you have to click on add. And now here you get another option of persistent storage, because what exactly happened when you connect your TailsOS USB to any computer, you browse anything, you download anything, and as soon as you disconnect the USB from your computer, everything has been gone. But if you want to save any kind of your data or anything, then you will have to create a persistent storage where you can save your important data or document. So in order to enable it, you will have to enter the admin password. So type your password here, then click on unlock encryption. and it says setting were located from the persistent storage. Now simply you have to click on start Tails, and now you will be getting the Tor connection page, and it says everything you do on the internet from Tails goes through the Tor network. So now here you have to select the first option, connect to Tor automatically. And I would also recommend you to select this option, configure a Tor bridge, so that you should not have any problem while browsing any kind of website. Select it, then you have to click on connect to Tor. Now it says what kind of bridge you want to go with. So if you already have any kind of bridge, then you can go with the third option, or else you can go and select the first option that says use a default bridge. Select it, then you have to click on connect to Tor. And now here it will take few seconds only to connect to Tor with the default bridges. So wait until it's all been done. And once it will be done, it says connected to Tor successfully with bridges. You can now browse the internet anonymously and uncensored. So here you have to click on start Tor browser, and the Tor browser will now be coming up. And while it's loading up, you can see it automatically has some kind of extension like uBlock Origin, so that you can enjoy any website or anything without any kind of advertisement. So now here if I search for Facebook, so you can see the Facebook recommendations are up, and if I click on it, now one thing that you have to keep in your mind here, that the connection will be a bit slow as compared to your regular connection, because you are using the secure Tor browser. Okay, so it will not be too fast. Sometimes even the website get failed to load, so you need to keep on trying. Okay, so you can see the Facebook website is up. Similarly, if you want to open any other kind of website, you can open it from here only. Now what the best part is, whatever you browse here, whatever social account you open here, whatever kind of download you do here, as soon as you plug out your USB, everything will be gone. So nobody would be able to trace anything. Even if you connect this USB to any other computer, like to your friend computer, to any kind of cyber cafe or any other kind of computer, they will not be able to trace anything that what exactly you did on their computer. Even any kind of malware or any kind of hacker will not be able to trace anything. So that is the best part of this operating system. So whatever you need to do, just plug in and start using this Tail USB without leaving any kind of trace. And now if I talk about some other feature here, so if you click on this application on the very top, you get different kind of application like Tor browser, Tor connection, persistent storage, and Thunderbird, KeyPass, XE, and many other options. So if you want to use the persistent storage, then you have to click on this option, and it will give you the detail over here that is being enabled, and it says a folder where you can save your document. Okay, so this is a folder here. If you click on it, this kind of folder will be coming up. So this is basically for the people who want to store some kind of document, any kind of file or anything, and want that it should not be deleted as soon as they plug out their USB, so they can save their data on this persistent storage folder. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.